How's it going, everybody? Found myself tooling around Ben Lomond the other day. Saw enough interesting stuff that seemed worthy of coming back to, such as the Mountain Theater there, said to be haunted, and a few other things. Wound up on Love Creek Road, which I'm gonna go down right now. That way. Ben Lomond Fire Station. Henfling's over there. A little Barker bar for you. But yeah, Love Creek Road. This is an interesting one. Apparently there is a major landslide back in like 1982 or something, and wiped out several houses and killed several people. I don't know if there's still a little toy box out here that they set up as a memorial for the couple kids that were lost out here. I don't think I went all the way down. Let's see, this way. Don't think I went all the way down. I think I missed a turn and ended up going down somebody's private road. So the toy box may still be out there. I didn't see it. We'll find out. What I did find, however, down in the creek there seemed to be some remnants of old railroad. For those that are interested and been keeping up with the whole railroad tunnel search. Don't think that one had any tunnels on it, but ultimately ran into the common railroad tracks. Pretty interesting. Yeah, Ben Lomond apparently named Ben Lomond for the fact that it's on Ben Lomond Mountain. Didn't know that. Oh no, I did go down the right way. Right up here it becomes private, supposedly. Not sure where that toy box is or was, if it's not still around. Private road, they say. Right down here you can see the remnants of the old railroad. Alright, found it. The old toy box. There you are. Still exists. First Community Church in Ben Lomond. Stephen Lieb, MD, country doctor. Well, isn't that interesting? Said it once, I'll say it again. Good little personal pizzas at that bakery there. Last but not least, Highlands Park. Dude's in a hurry. Named after a family that owned it. Got a little skate park in here. Decent one. And a house. Was built back in like 1930 or something by whoever owned it at the time. Now it's owned by the county. Also said to be haunted. Enter at your own risk. Well, I'll end this one here. That's all the interesting stuff that I'm aware of. Till next time, like and subscribe.